We are here taking a look at this 2015 Civic Si. It's been, as you can tell, kicked up here for some time. It was hit on this side, pushed that way, and it was also hit on the back on this side. This seems to all be good. This side is completely unscathed. This side is good. It needs 2 new lights. There's a lot of mold growing around the car because it's been sitting. You can tell it's been sitting here for quite some time. But is it open? I don't think it's open. It's locked. So the car is locked. If you see inside, there's an airbag that deployed over there. And oh shit, the dash airbag deployed as well. So the guy had an intake, the intake's gone. It doesn't seem to have touched the engine at all. So all of this would need to be pushed forward. It needs probably a new hood, new door. Huh? It's manual, yeah. And all this stuff on the back. All SIs come. So my friend has offered to take it to a shop and get this pulled out. So I think the next time I'm not going to be cleaning it today because it smells like absolute shit, but I want to make it look a lot less worse.
Yo, you sending me, you gotta
So we've got some mold, some terrible worn out seats. You can tell like mold on the steering wheel, some mold over there. Oh, it sat here for such a long time. This airbag's popped, this airbag's popped, that airbag's popped. Even the back seats have a home to a few rats. The back here, tons of shit, tons of poop all around. It's definitely gonna get detailed by a proper place, but let's just clean it out so we can move on to the shop. The floor is so wet.
Hey, better back up before I poop jump out on your ass.
So nasty though. I think we owe them last month.
Which body shop is it going to? The guy's friend? Because I know some people would take a look and be like, nah, we ain't getting in this to work on it. What was that?
So my friend is pulling us with his stuff. Oh, the rope is gone. Let's go see. We lost the rope. Yeah. Yeah, man. Come back. Come back. Come back. Stop. The train got it out here.